Hey guys, Ricardo here, and today I'll show you to fix the no signal issue. Now, of course, once you have a connected device to your HDMI, make sure it's plugged into the correct HDMI. If you're seeing no signal, it usually means that the device connected to HDMI is either not powered on, or of course you're on the wrong HDMI. So the first thing I recommend is that you switch the HDMI ports, and if that doesn't work, you can also check the device itself. Here's a source button on your remote. Go ahead and click on it. So to check to make sure that you're on the correct source, go ahead and click the source button. As you can see, we have live TV, we have Google TV, we have composite. That's those jacks in different colors. As you can see here, we have a TV and we got a signal. All right. So you just need to make sure you're on the right connection. Also, make sure that the cable is plugged in all the way. So check your HDMI ports if they are pushed in all the way. And of course, also check the cable. Sometimes the cable is bad, but chances are it's just a matter of either powering the device or you're on the wrong HDMI port. So for example, I might have plugged in the TV to HDMI 1, but I'm on HDMI 2. So make sure that you switch the correct HDMI. And once you do, guys, and make sure the device has power and it's powered on, and it should come up. All right. So as you can see, you have a DVD player. So you're going to make sure that for your DVD player, it is hooked up correctly. Make sure that you power it on. Make sure you're getting a power. And of course, your power LED is on. And let's say, for example, this is connected by composite. That's the, I think, red, yellow, and those color input jacks. Make sure that you connect them properly and switch to the correct HDMI port, and you should be good. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.